Hello automotive friends, this time we will review a motorcycle with a 999cc engine with a 4-cylinder type, namely the BMW S1000Rr 2022. The BMW S1000Rr Superbike was first launched in 2009 and became a hit sport motorbike at that time. This bike is considered to be the best equipped bike in the 100cc category, and also since 2009 BMW has always released an upgraded version of this bike almost every year. As a result, the latest BMW has released the 2022 version of the S1000Rr with an increase in style and motor performance that is simply amazing. The 2022 BMW S1000Rr still carries the same 999cc inline-4 engine. However, BMW has made great efforts to change the look of the bike and improve its performance characteristics. Based on the previous year's color scheme, BMW has completely redesigned the color options for the 2022 version. However, the most striking part of the changes to this superbike is the Style Passion color scheme. Metallic gray and black colors with red highlights on the fairing and rear make the charm of this bike even more leverage. This color is also a replacement for the racing red color scheme on the previous model. However, the S1000Rr is also still available in Black Storm Metallic. On the machine, just like the previous generation S1000Rr variant, this 2022 version features a water or oil-cooled 999cc 4-cylinder inline 4-stroke engine with 4-valve titanium per cylinder. However, there is a difference with the previous version in that the new engine is 4 kilograms lighter, which significantly contributes to the handling of the bike. This BMW Superbike engine features BMW Shift Cam technology, which works with the camshaft to select the opening time and valve lift to increase engine output. Fuel is supplied to the engine using a ride-by-wire electronic fuel injection throttle system. As a result, the engine produces a maximum power of 205 horsepower at 13,500 revolutions per minute and a maximum torque of 113.3 Nm at 11 revolutions per minute. In the features section, the front of the motorbike already uses aggressive LED lights and LED turn signals in the mirrors. Similarly, the lighting at the rear of the motorcycle is combined in a single platform consisting of LED brake lights, turn signals, and taillights. Furthermore, the motorcycle dashboard has been installed with a 6.5 inches TFT screen that has 4 modes consisting of Pure Ride and Core Ride. Riders can control and configure the TFT screen via the joystick controller on the left handlebar. For this specification, the full description.